Hello, good afternoon. My name is Vinesh Shukla and I'm making this video for class first year. And this is a chapter of book Hornbill, and the name of the chapter is Discovering Tut, the saga continues. Tut basically is the name of acronym for Tutankhamun. His full name was Tutankhamun, and he was the powerful pharaoh of Greece. Not Greece, he was the powerful pharaoh or king of Egypt, and who ruled over centuries in Egypt. And Tut's mummy was discovered by Howard Carter in 1922. He was a British archaeologist who discovered the mummy of Tutankhamun in year 1922. And at that time his body was x-rayed, but before that it was a challenge for Howard Carter to bring the body out of the coffin, because in which coffin it was placed centuries ago, the body was cemented with its base, and that is why the body should be had to be imputed in 5 parts. And after that Carter, after a long struggle, put the body out of the coffin and sent for X-ray. The main reason for the X-ray was to discover the reason of that young king, because when he was dead, when he was killed, then he was very young, and that is why by X-ray of the body a mystery was going to be unraveled, that why that young pharaoh was killed in such a tender age of almost 11 years. So he has given wealthy mummy. First of all, it was Tut's mummy, which was discovered by Howard Carter in 1922. Wealthy mummy means the body was kept in a gold coffin, which was made of pure gold, and there were outer coffin and inner coffin. And in the inner coffin there were some olive leaves, lotus, or cornflower, such kind of flowers were there, which shows that his death would be at the time of spring season. Not in spring, but in autumn season. Death mystery. Scientists were trying to resolve that mystery, why that young king or pharaoh was killed. And once again, in year 2000, 2003 or 4, his body was rediscovered. It was taken for CT scan, for which so that scientists can exactly get the reason of the exact death of that young pharaoh, because now the technology is more advanced than the prior time, and that is why there may be some more prediction that can be done for the pharaoh's king, and that is why it was done by another archaeologist, and we will see in the next video. Thanks for watching.